So today we're going to be showing how to install the Blue Alpha thigh strap. So we have our A&R holster and the A&R tack belt mount. The tack belt mounts are available on our website. And shameless plug, one of the things we really like about it is it's cut to 1.75 inches. So on our battle belt, there's no up and down play. That being said, let's get to the install. So you're gonna take your screwdriver and you're going to back off the screw on the actual mount. So not on the holster, on the mount. And what I like to do is just take the thigh strap. Now where the elastic is, I like to keep that facing on the inside of the thigh. That way it's high enough up to where I can reach it and it's not gonna be interfering with me while I'm running. So all you're gonna do is flip it through, push it down in there, find the screw, wherever that went, and then you're going to just reattach it. Now, another option that you can do if you don't want to keep your thigh strap on your belt is take your holster and with the same thing, remove this bottom screw, slide it up. That way, if you take off your holster, your thigh strap comes with it. That's the way Kurt likes to do it. I prefer to keep my thigh strap on my belt.